Hey guys, it's me, Hannah. Yeah, just Hannah, whatever. And we have another picture. I want her tail. Well, it's Hannah is back. So we are going to play back as Chibiusa. Yes, Chibiusa may be a cute character. Yes, you are all right. I love this. Oh, this looks so pretty. That's not true. Here it is. Well, let's do Sailor Teleport. Sailor Teleport. Hello? Sailor Teleport. Sailor Teleport? Sailor Teleport! Sorry for wasting my time on dancing. I really want this. Well, let's just skip it. What's on both? No, pajamas. Pajamas. What's on Sailor Pajamas? Nothing on Sailor Pajamas? Well, let's go. That's just a game. Did you get a game? No, it's just a game. Let's start over. Okay, let me just go. That's just the game. Well, here I am. Princess Nikki. When will I ever get that tail? No, that's mine. That's mine. So what's he say? Ooh, that looks so cute. This is Sailor Moon! Magical guardian of love and justice! But I can't get it. Well, unlucky me. Never gonna get it. Mommy! I would go to but if I just wish my gems on it, I might go back all the way down. Magical guardian of law and justice. Well, I guess we're done for today. We didn't really do anything, but, well, bye-bye!